Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. Let's look at what this is and how you use it. All right friends, so this is a draw knife. It is meant to cut pulling towards you. It has two handles and then it has this blade. You can kind of see it has a tapered section here, a sharpened edge, and it's just flat on the back. It's meant to cut as you pull it towards you. This is mine. It's got a split in the handle over here. This handle's good. You use it to shape something that is rounded, so you can get that rounded shape and you can kind of work and keep those angles going. I haven't used this much. I would like to make my own. It's a pretty simple tool. It's a blade that has a slight curve in it, and it's got two handles. It's a pretty simple tool, but it's very, very useful in a lot of certain circumstances where you need to make something shaped, not just a square. So I'm going to actually use this to make handles for this maul and this axe head. This one is a really old axe head. It needs to be polished up. This guy's not that old, but the handle broke on him. So I'm gonna go ahead and make handles with my draw knife, and I'm sure it's gonna work well. It's always worked well in the past. It's a very old draw knife. These are very old tools, but man, when you have solid metal, it's hard to break that. It's hard to mess that up. So this is a draw knife. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to work hard because hard work is its own reward. Thanks for watching.